The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want.
Chances are they'll never catch the people who killed them.
Frank, you can't blame yourself for what happened.
Oh, believe me, I can. Should have been there for them. I had been punishing the wrong person. To avenge my wife Andora's murder, I took a vow of silence. I had found my form of penance. Pretty violent, don't you think, Frank?